So, Gamer Subs in one hand. Sponsor me. It's pretty good. Okay. This is what we here for. Oh crap. Okay, so this is what we're here for. I bought a 3D printer and it arrived when I was in camp, or Lake Merwin. I'm gonna open it now. I'm so excited. Ooh, what's this? Oh, baby! Oh, this is so cool. Holy cow. Dude, I'm really impressed with this already. Like, I've already like thrown out a few pieces, but they gave me some like tools and everything like that. Like, they're already stepping up the game with what they're giving me. It's impressive. I'm not gonna lie. It is quite impressive. All right, so it's taken me a couple hours. I'm not sure exactly on a few things. I'm not really sure. Like the guy in the video, there's a few things that he could have explained better. It's mostly done. I guess I just have to turn it on now, see if it works. I guess. Yeah. All right, here goes nothing. All right, that is something. That is indeed something. Fans are going. Okay, I don't know what to do now. I'm having a problem, which is this is kind of jiggly, so I don't know if it's supposed to be jiggly or not. But it's really, really annoying. And I don't know how to fix it. I don't know. So it's printing now. It's printing a cat. I think I figured it out. It's kind of loud, so I can't go to bed. So I'm just going to sit here for however long it takes. It says it's at 1%. So I mean, like, I don't want to sit here for... I guess I could pause it. I don't know. I just want to go to bed.